Welcome to Neena's Thai Kitchen. For today's episode of Brunch Recipe series, I'm so happy to share with you one of the extremely popular street food in Thailand, pad see ew, or soy sauce stir-fry noodles. While pad Thai is sweet, pad see ew is salty because of the soy sauce and have a wonderful charred flavor, which you can make it at home. Here are pad see ew ingredients. I prefer fresh white rice noodle Chow Fun. What we're gonna do is we're going to try to separate it using your hand to roll like this. See that? If you don't have access to fresh noodle, you can use dry noodles. I'll show you at the end of this video. Next, marinate meat. You can use any kind of meat, slice it thin like this, and then put all the ingredients together, massage it a little bit, and leave it about 10 to 15 minutes. For vegetable, you can use either Chinese broccoli or regular broccoli. For Chinese broccoli, normally I peel the skin at the bottom out. That is the fiber part, and that makes it tough. Slice broccoli into thin pieces so that it will cook faster. It's your preference. We need only 1 cup. I love to mix all the sauce together beforehand. It makes it a lot easier and stress-free. And the most important is that your pad see ew will always turn out delicious. Here are the sauces that I normally use. Let's cook. For this dish, it's nice to have a little bit oily. It will give you more flavor. So I use 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. At high heat, add oil, garlic, and meat. Stir until the meat is about 80% cooked. Add broccoli because broccoli will take longer time than the noodles to cook. After the vegetable and meat are cooked, we're going to add noodles and mix sauce. Stir the mixture until thoroughly combined. It should take about 15 to 20 seconds. Push everything to one side and add 2 eggs. Scramble and let it set, or about 80% cooked. Flip noodles over eggs and let it sit for about 10 seconds to get a char taste. Now I'm going to flip another side and stir gently. The char taste or the smoky taste will make this dish tastier. It's done. This recipe is for 1 person. If you would like to cook for more, I would recommend you to cook 1 at a time. That's what I normally do. As far as you prepare everything ahead of time, the cooking part is very easy and fast. It's good by itself, but it's really good with vinegar and chili powder. No fresh noodle? No worry. We can use the dry noodles. Soak in room temperature for at least 3 hours. Tofu is great with this dish too. Using firm tofu, only 1/4 of the block. Get all the water out and cut it into small pieces. We're going to fry the tofu first, about 1 minute each side. Set tofu aside and add garlic. Add noodles that we soaked it earlier and 1/4 cup of water. Stir until the noodle is cooked. I normally would test it to make sure that the noodle gets soft and cooked. Now we're going to cook vegetable. Just stir and mix it together. Add our seasoning mix sauce. And of course, tofu. And again, I make sure that it's about 80% cooked first. Okay, it's about 80% cooked here. To the other side. Now I'm going to flip it. You see the char mark here? That one is gonna be good. We're done with our pad see ew. I'm hungry now. That's it for Ranch Recipe series of pad see ew. What would you like us to cook next? I hope you like it. And please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.